Hello, I wanted to show you how to make a custom report and make a modification to a report in Sage X3. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I get the correct report file. So I'm going to do the purchasing request report. And here it is under purchasing request. And then I'm going to do the full entry. And then I'm just going to print the record so I can see which files. Okay, so BONDA is the purchase request note, so I'm going to use that. I've already got my report item in for my custom report, so I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So I'll cancel that, and then I'm going to go and navigate to BONDA so I can get the original report. BONDA. Here it is. So I'm going to open this one. And I'm going to save this as onto my done. I'm just saving this into a folder. I'm going to save this into a new folder. And I'm going to call this ZBonda. Okay, put a Z in front and then save that. Okay, and I'm just going to make a quick modification. Open up my section expert. Insert a section in the group footer. Okay, and I'm going to say if you have any questions, please call 123 7891. Okay. Clearly a fake number. Okay, so I'm going to add that note. I'm going to save that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is actually going to save that. I'm actually going to take that and save it into, copy it into my folder here. Reports, my shared folder. Okay, so if I go, let me navigate to my report, copy that, and then to my shared folder where all the reports are, and then I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to place that file that was there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go and show you what's going to happen, because it's not going to automatically show up, and I'll show you what you do next. Record, select ZBonda, and then select print, and you will see that my change has not shown up. I'm going to open the PDF and I'll show you. Oh, okay, it did show up. Well, Well, there you go. That's how you do it. Sometimes you have to actually go in and delete the file from the shared file and then run it in the system and then re-upload it. And so that's something to try if your change doesn't automatically show up. So that's it. Thank you.